Shooter caught for killing Ricardo Robinson in Portmore, St. Catherine and Port Henderson Plaza. So they actually caught the shooter by doing an identification parade, and he was later charged for killing Ricardo Robinson and illegal possession of firearm. So stay tuned for the latest stories and news updates, people. Welcome back everyone to another news updates from your boy Warrior. So right now people want to make you know say yo, a piece of shooting go on in a Islington, St. Mary, people. You see me? And we're in Islington, this actually occurred in Pimenta Hill, on Pimenta Hill Road. You see me I say? So this brother you know when him Glendon White attack a motorcyclist. You see me? So the man when him attack him actually shoot after him, but he never kill him, him shot him in him leg. You see me? So the man escaped people and end up reach a police station, and Mr. Glendon White was actually charged for shooting, well, not for just shooting, but illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. You see me? So them catch him and them charge him. You see me I say, people? Yeah, man.
Remember all the good and all the things I'm way to feed them. Mount of strength and me gay and I'm still want me feed them.
And for the entertainment trade right now, Squash 6 Bar shared a few photos to his Instagram showing he's living up the good life. Caption: sometimes people around you won't understand your journey. They don't need to. It's not for them. 6 forever.